Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be filming a natural everyday makeup look inspired by this picture of Wolfiecindy that I will have up on the screen from her Instagram. I was sent this picture on Instagram as a request from a subscriber to recreate this look. So thank you so much to that subscriber for requesting for me to do this look. So I'm filming for the first time with the back camera on my new phone. So I'm really excited to see how the quality is going to look when I edit and upload it. I was really happy that the audio is also a lot better on this phone. Also, there's 3 cameras, so I don't know which one I should be looking into. So I'll just be looking at all 3. Also, it's the first time I'm filming with natural lighting in a while, and it feels really nice to be back in this position. It's also really comfortable here, and I also have my mirror behind the camera, which I look at when I do my makeup. And when I'm using my ring light, I have to use mirrors from makeup palettes, but I prefer having a big mirror, so it feels very comfortable to be back. So let's get into the makeup now. I'm first gonna prime my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. If you have any primer recommendations for oily skin, do let me know down below, because I only have 2 primers. So we're not gonna put on foundation today, and I never wear foundation when I do natural makeup looks because I just want to enhance my features and just look awakened. First, I'm gonna go with this e.l.f. concealer. I got this years ago. There's no name for it, in the shade Light. This is not light though, it's pretty dark. And this is more of a similar tone to my face. So I'm just gonna conceal all of my scars and blemishes to just even out my skin. And then we're just gonna buff everything out. Okay, and then to conceal, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. And I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes, a bit on my chin, and my nose, a little bit here. Then I'm gonna take the same brush to just blend everything out. Are we feeling fantasy? Whoa, it looks really good. Who is she? I don't know. And now we're gonna use some cream blush. She has a lot of blush on, and this is gonna be the first time I'm using this, but I feel it'll be a really great color match. This is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Cream Chubby Stick Blush in the shade Work, with the E, Work. So I'm gonna apply this across my cheeks, a bit at the center of the bridge of my nose. We'll see if we'll have to build this up. I'm just gonna buff it out with the same brush. I like this, it's pretty pigmented. Okay, I'm just gonna apply one more coat just at the apples of my cheeks. I love using cream blush for natural makeup looks because it makes your skin look so radiant. I've quickly just done my eyebrows off camera because I personally hate watching people do their eyebrows. I think it's so boring. So now we are going to bronze the face. I'm going to take the Estate bronzer in Cocoa. I'm not going to be contouring my face. I'm just going to be bronzing to give my skin some more warmth. Just gonna pinch the brush to go along the sides of my nose and beneath the lip. And then with the same bronzer, I'm just gonna run this through my crease. A little bit on my lower lash line. Ooh, that's my stomach if you can hear it. I'm just gonna set the blush with this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Feisty. I'm trying to finish her up. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs Scandalust eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use this dark brown. Use any dark brown that you have. And then we're just gonna run this at the edge of the eye and wing it out just a little bit, just like that. Okay, the other side came out a bit more intense, so I'm just gonna reciprocate on the other eye. It's a bit more extended than hers, but I'm just gonna softly blend it out with a fluffy brush. Let's quickly curl the lashes before we do our highlight. Now into highlighter. It does look like she's wearing a cream highlighter, but all of my really pigmented cream highlighters are pinky shades, and hers is definitely a more champagne shade. So I'm gonna go into my Sleek Makeup Solstice palette. I haven't used this in so long. And I'm gonna mix these two shades over here. Ooh. I'm gonna keep this just at the highest point of my cheekbone. A little bit at the tip. And down the bridge. And then I'm gonna use my finger to apply this in, whoa, in my inner corner. Did not expect that. And then we'll apply a bit at the brow bone. So I'm just gonna quickly set my face with my Kylie You're Perfect Perfecting Powder, just because my skin is oily, and I'm gonna go all the places where my makeup gets oily or breaks up. So around my nose, my mouth, my chin, and apply some underneath my eyes to brighten it, and on my forehead. I'm first gonna go in with a lash primer, and this is the Milk Makeup Kush Lash Primer. A lot of Milk makeup today, but I really do enjoy their brand. So I'm gonna apply this just at the top lashes. I think this is the first real natural makeup video I've ever filmed for my channel, because I rarely wear natural makeup in real life. I either wear a full face or nothing for the most part. If you don't like wearing falsies, I highly recommend getting a lash primer, because it really makes such a difference in your lashes and just makes them so much more voluminous and lengthened. I love using a lash primer. So I like to let that sit for a little bit before I go in with mascara. While we're waiting, let's do the lips actually. I'm gonna go in with the Milani lip liner in 04. It's nearly done. So personally for me, when I do natural makeup looks, I'll just go in with lip liner. But she has on a lot of gloss, and I think the perfect match will be the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, the original one. It doesn't have the name at the bottom like the other newest gloss bombs. So I'm gonna go in with the Milk Kush mascara. And at first I didn't really like this mascara so much, but the more I used it, the more I enjoyed it. The lash primer just really helps for the mascara to adhere to the lashes a lot better. So let's apply a light coat on the lower lashes. Also, personally, for a natural makeup look, I like to only apply mascara on my top lashes. Lastly, we're just gonna set the face with the the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Honestly, for a natural makeup look, you don't really need to set your face because there's not that much to move around. But this is definitely more makeup than I would wear for my natural makeup look. But this is still very, very natural. Why am I using my hands? So here is the completed natural everyday makeup look inspired by Wolfiecindy. I will have her Instagram linked down below if you'd like to check it out. I think it looks very, very pretty and youthful, and my skin is just glowing, which I love. I especially love the inner corner highlight. It is so bright and I'm totally here for it. Thank you once again to the subscriber for requesting this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see future videos of mine. My Instagram and Twitter are always linked down below if you'd like to follow me. I hope you have a fabulous day. I love you and I will talk to you soon. Bye.